Introducing Vuzix, next-generation smart glasses technology. A sleek exterior leads to a tech-rich interior, delivering style and substance with a trendy, comfortable design, combining easy wearability with even greater utility for an enhanced connected mobile experience with fully wireless connectivity. They're made even more dynamic with the added dimension of their ultra-slim, single-layer, see-through binocular waveguides. Powered by a pair of tiny, highly efficient micro-LED projectors, they generate crisp video into the advanced waveguide optics that are viewable indoors and out for heads-up contextual information. Both monochrome and full-color RGB HD+ solutions are in development. And at 1 micron in size, the micro-LEDs have one of the highest density pixel arrays available. From sight, we move to sound, with multiple noise-canceling microphones for flawless phone calls and voice UI integration. Forget your uncomfortable earbuds. With acoustic chambers fully integrated into the frames, we deliver clear stereo targeted over the ears for privacy without losing ambient sound around the wearer. Enhancing hands-free operation, the onboard processor wirelessly communicates with your phone. Use your voice or tap on the touch-sensitive arm to activate the displays, allowing discreet connectivity to the world. And with longer-lasting battery life, the glasses are ready when you are. Style and substance never looked this smart.
This is Moft, the lightest adhesive laptop stand around, tailored perfectly for mobile working. It's practically invisible, but still comforts your neck and shoulders anywhere you work. The Moft stand is as light as a pen and thin as a coin. Simply fold it when you need and unfold it when you're on the go. No need to carry around anything extra in your bag. With 2 elevation adjustments, Moft optimizes your sitting posture, reducing neck pain and soothing your wrist when typing. Take discomfort completely out of your work. The unique material and triangular structure makes it capable of holding up to 18 pounds. The removable plastic means it's detachable and reattachable to your computer, giving it zero chance to fall off and leaving no residue on the surface. Typing on Moft feels like using a metal stand, undisturbed, laser-focused on what you need to do. Adaptable to a wide variety of environments, fitting all types of MacBooks and colors. This is Moft, an invisible yet reliable stand for your ergonomic comfort. Moft.
Hi, this is Human with Creo. We love to design playful and useful things. MagnaPod is one of them. We wanted to add a bit of play to ceramics. We added magnets. Now you have a set of magnetic ceramics that you could wear to handcraft MagnaPod. The end quality is exquisite.
The possibilities are virtually limitless with this dynamic decoration. And it's a growing family, with more exciting designs on the way. We spent the last 3 years designing, prototyping, and testing MagnaPod to make sure it is reliable, unique. Now, we are ready for mass production. MagnaPod can be anything you want it to be. Treat your imagination with MagnaPod. Support us and be the first to own one.
Hello! We're so happy you're interested in AirBar. Let's get going. The AirBar sensor is extremely easy to set up. We're going to show you the steps. AirBar comes in different sizes. If you don't already know the size of your display, just measure it diagonally and then choose the size that best suits your computer. Now your AirBar sensor has arrived, and we're going to show you how to attach it. The first time you attach AirBar, it's important that you do it correctly. Center it 3 millimeters below the bottom edge of the display. Use the width of the USB cord as a reference, and use the white alignment markers to center AirBar. Start by removing the 2 tags on the back. After that, gently attach AirBar to the bottom bezel, then press gently above the magnet points. Remove AirBar and press on the magnets a bit harder to fixate them. That's it! Now you can attach and detach AirBar again and again without hassle, and it will be perfectly aligned and centered every time, thanks to the magnets that remain below your screen. And don't worry, you will still be able to close your notebook without any problems. Now that AirBar is set up, start your computer running Windows 10. Attach AirBar and plug the USB connector into the notebook. You now have touch. AirBar senses input just above the display. Pinch, roll, sweep, and have fun.